Hello everyone, my name is Rohit and I am here to explain about stakeholder management plan for our project. Our project is basically a good e-share business where we are trying to change our physical goodwill stores to an online stores where customers can buy their products through online. And for after creation of the vision and business scope for this project, we have created stakeholder matrices where we will identify stakeholders and try to find out what's the best method to communicate with them. For initially, the stakeholder matrices will include the stakeholder identification and prioritization matrix. In this matrix, we have identified each stakeholder based on their functional team, like the marketing team will be handled by marketing manager, the logistic and distribution will be done by distribution manager, and finance team will be finance manager, and so on. So based on after identifying the each stakeholders, we have given the priority to each stakeholders, and that's done by scoring method. And for scoring, we have identified 5 criteria. Those criteria are power, interest, influence, impact, urgency, and legitimacy. The scoring is done 3-1 and based on like each individual stakeholders involvement in that criteria, we have scored them. And after the total score, we have decided that the key stakeholders will be the sponsors, the project manager, and the customers in this project. And the secondary will be the each functional team managers, like the marketing manager, business development manager, quality manager. And for others, priority stakeholders are the legal representative and human resource managers. After identifying and prioritizing each stakeholder, we have created a stakeholder matrix which will identify what's the interest of each stakeholder in the project. So like the human resource manager will have interest in with the project to identify what are the resources requirement for each functional team and what is the budget for them, how to manage the salary of each resources in the project. Similarly, the business development manager will try to expand the business, like his interest in the project will be to expand the business, and what his support and mitigation will be, like his support will be to find NGOs and fundings to expand the business. And likewise, the website manager as well, like he will try to create a website and his support will be to make the website more user friendly and easy for customers to purchase the product online, and also to resolve the issues from the customers having any purchase issues or having any online issues with them. So likewise, we have identified all the stakeholders or like needs in the project and what are their contributions and mitigation strategies in the project. After that, we have created a communication matrix for each stakeholders where we will identify what the input from each stakeholder is in the project and what inputs they need from other stakeholders for completing their work. For example, considering the website manager, a website manager will require inputs from quality manager to decide pricing of the product online and what should be the cost of the product and what is the specifications of the product to describe in the post or the product post, and also communicating with the logistic manager to track the shipment of any purchases done by the customers, and also coordinating with the finance manager for deciding if the customer is blacklisted or he or she has a good transaction record in the past to approve its purchase based on the previous history. Likewise, all the stakeholders can communicate with each other based on the method of selection, like it can be a meeting or it can be emails or it can be a chat, simply chat, short chat messages system, and also the timing for each communication, like when they're supposed to be done. So they will like weekly or daily, so they will be prepared with the answers for each stakeholder so that they can function properly. Using these 3 matrices, it will be easier and effective for the project to do the stakeholder management and stakeholder communication for the project. Thank you.